So for open shop,
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow! Oh. Sawadee. Wow!
Buy many things you can buy.
Sawadee. Huh? 왜? 뭐야 이건 또? 아 사와디카 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 오 이거는 뭐야? The bar?
Buy and food. Buy food.
아니 뭐지? 땡모 아니. Oh, I forgot the name.
She asking. You just come from India?
No, India from Bangkok. 와, 장난 아니네. 살아있네. 사와디카, 사와디카. 홈큰 까울리카, 까울리카. 사와디카. 와, CEO, CEO. CEO.
CEO
CEO
เจ้าของกิจการไปส้มตำ
Sometimes. Okay, then we can buy food here. That's nice. Yeah. 한번 가볼까? 뭐가 있냐? 과자 있고. 와, 생활이 윤택해졌는데 이거? 다 있는데 이거? 우와. 필요한 건 다 여기서 하면 되겠네. 한국 라면은 없겠지? 콤프로스트 있나? 콤프로스트 있으면 딱 좋긴 한데 콤프로스트 없나? 샴푸랑 차 있고. 응? No, I'm okay. Is this dinner? 야. Wow, look bigger.
Cannot drink.
He's still speaking Thailand.
Yes, but now Thailand a little bit. Can speak a little bit.
Wow.
กินมามีอยากกินหรือเปล่า
Thailand.
Bo, she asking about your lectures flower.
Lecture.
Where your lectures before?
I don't have now. I need to buy a new one.
มันบอกว่ามันอยากซื้อไหม
Washing machine here. So. Is there Gaoli ramen? Gaoli ramen.
มาม่าเกาหลีมีไหมมัน
No hair. Okay.
ไม่รามยอน every time รามยอน
Oh, Ben, you.
ดันบุมีมีแต่แบบนี้
It's okay.
black and fat
Huh? But look healthy. It's better than before. Before look not healthy, but now look healthy. Okay?
ทั้งที่ไหม
Not really, because I've been to Korean restaurants before I come here. Ekamai.
Oh how you come taxi เหรอ
Taxi.
Why
Taxi.
they say you walk
I mean, you know, I remember that when we came here before, we went to Bangna Big Sea, right? So I've been there, but there was no bus at all. So I just took taxi.
how much
He said 1,200 first time, but he was very complaining that so far. So okay, I pay 1,500 and then stop on the road. So I just walk.
Oh
He was very complaining, you know.
how long
I don't have time. I don't have time. Like so much traffic to the Bangkok now this time. So I said, okay, 1,500. Potato. I need to change my English. Potato. Oi. I need to change my English.
Just 1 week not change.
No, give me 1 day na. This one nice. Yeah. Very nice. อร่อยนะ
อร่อยไหม
อร่อย I got look older na than before. Look very old na.
Better than before.
No. อาจจะซีนะGood to see you again na. Okay. Oh, original milk tea.
อร่อยนะ not sweet I like.
밀크티는 사랑이지.
ใช่ไหม
Very nice.
No not sweet.
Very nice. Is there? Okay. Well, I'm gonna drink this every day. Very
เธ
nice.
อนางชอบอันนี้มากเลยนางบอกว่าเดี๋ยววีไป
Okay. Oh, this is very nice. I like that.
ไปไหมหมอ
Hmm?
หมอ
I like that. Maybe you know that I come here today.
How I
Because I
know?
text you. What are you doing? Where are you? Like.
It's just thinking because I stay here and what are you doing now? Where are you? Why?
Different.
But thinking not today but maybe
Later.
ฟังพี่เบบี้เทวิตราเมง
Hi. I wanted to surprise. Why, Pangam? Not good. I worried.
My mom call
Really?
สวยนี่เด็กเพื่อน
Sorry, Kap.
How are you?
I'm good, Kap.
Not see long time.
Yes, I come today. With the good.
Yeah, this time good.
I want to see Vita so much. Vita.
ตา
Vita.
จำได้ไหมใคร
I look.
Vita เกาหลี
Power.
เมียเปล่า
Huh?
power
Power.
Shower. Power.
your shirt before
Forget me already?
You remember Kevin?
เกาหลี
Remember? Gauri? Yeah, remember.
Bang getting bigger than before.
Yeah, eat too much.
I booked the flight already. 31. I cannot change this time. Yeah. She's okay. She was sick before, but now she's recovering, okay? Yes. 여기만 오면 콧물 나.
อะไรนะแม่
응? What?
เอาเปล่า
Same. No same? Which one better? Before or now?
no
No?
because out tomorrow market มาล่า you know มาล่า
Mala.
Chinese food
Chinese. 마라탕. 마라.
tomorrow
Okay. No Gaoli restaurant, Kabinburi?
มีไหมว่าเธอร้านอาหารเกาหลี โอ้
You open shop เกาหลี restaurant
ไม่ดี because different Bangkok not I like BTS
You like BTS? Who is your favorite?
Jin Jungkook Jimin
Oh.
V
Oh, you didn't like BTS before,
yes
but now you like.
Mark
Jungkook? My favorite is Jungkook.
Jungkook Jimin
Jimin?
Mm.
I look like Jimin, little.
ไม่ ไม่ข้าวเหมือน
Little bit.
ไม่เหมือน
아니야? No?
No
But I heard that before. I look like Jimin.
ไม่เหมือนจีมิน
And Jungkook also.
no โอ้จงกุก very different
Interesting that. You didn't like K-pop before.
just only BTS
Only BTS. Interesting. Eat this one. It's not for eating.
เอ้า หาได้เหรอมาหาได้
Oh, Ben, your phone is very nice. So, iPhone 12 Max. So nice, your phone. Who buy this?
my boyfriend
Look at that, it's white one.
so different
Huh?
last year you very drunk
It's actually it's my original. Gaoli. But you look better than before actually, really. Than last year. You look more healthy.
Wait.
Really? So you're not planning to go back Bangkok? No more? Stay here.
I have only plan for Australia
Okay. When?
this year
This year? Oh, really? Yeah, that's better. That's better. What?
เธอมันขาวมาก เธอดูแขนมันอ่ะจากที่มันดำ
Why?
I surprised
Why?
very white skin
It's same like last year.
ไม่
Really?
skinny
I lost almost 5 kilograms now.
what
I work out very hard, but now I lost. What did you order?
you remember before grandmother died
noodle.
เออ
태국 시골에서의 첫 식사. 이름 뭔지 모르겠다. 와, 어색하긴 하네. 1년 만에 오니까. 민폐 안 끼치는 방향으로 지내겠습니다. 너무 자주 와가지고 이제 좀 너무 민폐가 되는 것 같아서. 수제비 맛인데 약간?
we order more and I multiply and
나?
you with me เนี่ย
You wanna go together? I was eating.
try
Same like pate? Nice. But I like this one more. This is more better. Normally you eat dinner here every day? Is there a sushi store in town? No have? Sushi.
อ๋อไม่มีค่ะซูชิแต่พอซูชิมากินซูชิมาก
Last year you too slim and your face don't look happy. But now you look very happy and positive and healthy, I think. Oh, raining? I should wear a mask maybe. People scare me. You know, kids also. When I go, kids.
You want to careful yourself because many
Hello. You look happy now?
ฮะ
You look happy now? Because I'm here?
You here You here
What is that?
อุ๊ยอะไรอ่ะ
I got crushed the door and 3 stitch. So I didn't do anything in India. Just rest in hotel. Just I couldn't eat almost 7 days. So in hotel like.
You cannot work make video or not
Just rest in hotel, you know. Actually, I was planning to come Thailand next month, you know. I told you that, right?
yeah.
Next month, but I didn't want to stay in India anymore because of this. You happy now?
ไม่
Many people missed you.
Me too
Many people looking for you. Where is Bang? She's okay? How is she? Like, I was tired actually. You wanna say something?
I am fine and I happy to eating and that's now I have 70 kilo
Huh?
yes 7
You don't need to tell them about your weight.
because I'm happy
Okay.
ที่ดูเขาเรียกมา
Sawadee-krap.
ครับผม
ดูดีขึ้นรอขึ้นเลยอ่ะ
Huh?
ดูรอ
handsome
Handsome เหรอ ขอบคุณครับ
ตาก็ดีแต่มันมองมาหอดฝรั่งนี่หมด
Regency.
ผสมผสม
와, 이게 완전 빠구나. 오. 바이바이. I walk. 응. 어우, 뭐 아무것도 안 보여. 뭐 오늘 첫날인데 무사히 잘 도착해서 뭐 저녁도 맛있게 먹고 그랬습니다. 사실 좀 오랜만에 오는 거라 좀 걱정을 많이 했었는데 그래도 반갑게 이렇게 맞이해 줘가지고 기분이 좋네요. 하여튼 뭐 오늘도 영상 봐주셔서 감사하고 저는 또 다음 영상에서 뵙도록 할게요. 끝.